Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra Career Reading. Take only what resonates. Sa mga gustong magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Kung gusto mo, pwede kang mag-follow sa akin din sa TikTok. By the way, this is for Libra Career Reading. Check mo yung iyong natal chart. Check mo yung Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter sign mo. What do we have here for Libra pagdating sa iyong career? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra, please. Career. Okay. Thank you, Spirit guys, angel guides. Career reading for Libra. Career reading for Libra. Okay. You do have here 8 of Stones, and it is your skills. Knight of Vessels, and Two of Stones. Ayan. I can see na ikaw ay may development pagdating sa iyong skills, no? Lalo na yung iba sa inyo pwedeng nakakaranas ng mga challenging na situation. Ito yung nagiging dahilan para i-push mo yung isang bagay na matutunan or mas pagalingin ang sarili mo sa bagay na ito. With the Knight of Vessels, yung iba sa inyo, there's a lot of opportunities around you. And ikaw mismo, pwedeng ikaw din nakakapagbigay ng opportunity sa iba. I can see here with the Three of Vessels, there's a lot of friends, people around you who supports you sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo. Some of you, I can see a friend or people na pabalik sa buhay mo to help you grow. Ayan, nakakita tayo ng growth sa'yo with this friends or people na pwedeng ang intention is um, to create something sa'yo. Kasi nakikita nila yung kagalingan mo, yung kapasidad mo, and yung mga ginagawa mo ngayon. And they want to be part of it. Na naiinteresado sila na makibahagi or makitulong sa kung ano man yung ginagawa mo. So, the Page of Boast, this is like, could be messages from friends or people. Ito, nagpapakita ito sa ibang tao na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo. Pwedeng financially or pwedeng sila mismo ang tutulong, kung hindi man material na bagay. Sa material na bagay ay pwedeng may kinalaman sa kanilang skills na pwedeng makakatulong sa'yo. And yan, that would give you stability. Okay? So, napakalaki ng mayaambag nito mga taong ito. Anyway, what do we have here for Libra? Tell me more messages for Libra pagdating sa kanilang career. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra, please. One last shuffle. Okay. Wait lang. Medyo nagulo. Libra career. More messages. You do have your Seven of Arrows. This is insecurity. Two of Vessels. Attraction. And Queen of Vessels. This is Salmon energy. Or Salmon. Energy of water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Five of Stones. And Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I feel like Some of you, meron kang nakikita sa sarili mo, like, maybe insecurity, but hindi mo to dapat makita as insecurity. You should see this as your strength. Pero, para sa'yo, nakaka-insecure tong bagay na to, pero ito is strength mo ito eh. And with the two of vessels, a lot of people are actually attracted sa'yo. Diba? Pero nakikita mo ito as insecurity. And with the Queen of Vessels, you are someone na gugustuhin ng marami because of what you are, of what you have. Pero yung iba talagang nai-insecure ka dito sa bagay na ito. And I don't know why. Some of you, maybe you are pretty, maganda, babae man or lalaki. Tapos, nai-insecure ka kasi you feel like, hindi naman ako sexy, hindi naman ako macho, parang ganun. But you have the looks. You have your looks na pwedeng na-attract yung ibang tao because of, actually kahit yung insecurity mo eh, kahit hindi ka macho, kahit hindi ka sexy, they see you as sexy, they see you as macho. Para sa kanila maganda yan, yung katawan mo, you are fit, you are someone na parang kahanga-hanga. Okay? Some of you, this could be a skills. For example, magaling kang maggawa ng sasakyan, and you see yourself as na-insecure ka kasi laging ang dumi mo, etc. But a lot of people are attracted to you kasi ang galing mo. Hindi naman nila nakikita yung yung mga pangit, but rather yung kahanga-hanga sa'yo. You know what I mean? And yeah, for some of you, pwedeng may kinalaman sa physical appearance. So, yun nga, kung ikaw ay medyo chubby and people sees that as an opportunity, wow, you look so sexy para sa kanila kasi ang ganda naman yung hubog ng katawan mo, pwedeng ganun. And some of you can do modeling, alam mo yan, yung mga plus size clothes, mga ganyan. And that is something na nai-insecure ka, but you should be proud dito. And some of you can use these insecurities, kung ano tong ini-insecure mo, as an opportunity. Use this as a tool para matulungan ka na maging ma-enhance or maging mas pwedeng mag-open ng opportunities or doors para sa'yo, para sa ibang bagay, diba? And kasi meron the Queen of Vessels, this is like pera or success sa something na kinai-insecurean mo. Ace of Vessels is here. This is for you in the near future. There's a new beginning for you. Six of Bowls, this is abundance. Look at that. So pretty, diba? Laging may naka-ready para sa'yo. Like, hindi ka mawawalan, hindi ka mauubusan, and you are already surrounded by the things na kailangan mo sa buhay mo in order for you to become successful, to become abundant. Okay? Para maging, sabihin na nating mayaman, nandyan na sa paligid mo ang magpapayaman sa'yo. And another, I mean, this is like the last thing na darating, which is the Ace of Water, oh, Ace of Vessels, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Ito na lang ang kulang. Tapos after nito, wala ka nang kailangan. Everything is around you already. Friends, people, na kailangan mo sa buhay mo. Maybe this is another person. This is a person. A new person. Na pwedeng paparating sa buhay mo. Tapos siya na lang ang kulang. Para sa pagyaman mo. Parang ganun. Siya na lang ang kulang. Paparating na siya actually. There's this Page of Arrows and Knight of Bows. So, look at the fox, no? Kung makikita mo, ang ganda ng ngiti niya, no? And this is like a positive sign in the near future for you. No? It's a positive sign. It's like, I can see a career na kahit anong maging season ay tatangkilikin ka dito or magbo-boom ka dito. So, kahit summer, winter, tatangkilikin ka dito. The mirror is here. Some of you, it has something to do with business. Yung iba sa inyo, maybe social media kind of thing, showing to the world what you are capable of. So, pwedeng ganun. May pag-boom, no? Dahil dito sa ginagawa mo na ito. And sabi ko nga, kahit umaraw man or umulan, pwedeng you have a lot of fans, you have a lot of people na tatangkilikin ka. Okay? And there's this new one coming. Ito na lang yung kulang. And you will be, successful. Some of you, that is a person. And pwedeng may love interest, pwede rin namang wala. But I can see a person na siya na lang yung kulang para maging successful ka. Or maybe you are already successful, pero para mas higit na maging successful ka. Thank you for watching. I love you all, guys, and bye-bye.